What if building wealth isn't just about earning more, but about leveraging your money intelligently? Could unconventional strategies be the missing link between financial struggle and prosperity? Throughout history, those who defied conventional wisdom often achieved extraordinary financial success. From ancient merchants to modern-day innovators, unconventional thinking has been a catalyst for wealth. In this video, I'll unveil 10 weird wealth rules that defy conventional wisdom. Each rule is backed by real-life examples and expert insights, aimed at transforming your financial mindset and boosting your wealth-building journey. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. All right, let's dive in. Number 1. Get rich by being lazy, but systematic. Most people lose money not because they don't earn enough, but because they make too many emotional decisions with their money. One month they invest, the next they panic sell. They try to time the market, chase crypto trends, or jump between side hustles, ending up exhausted and broke. Investors who simply stayed invested in the S&P 500 from 2003 to 2023 made 10.2% average annual returns. But the average investor made just 4.8%, mostly due to impulsive decisions. That's why in The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel says, the most powerful investing skill is not intelligence, it's consistency. The critical mistake? People think wealth is built by working harder, not smarter, and they overcomplicate what should be simple. Number 2. Save like you're poor, invest like you're rich. Chris, a U.S. Navy mechanic from Ohio. He earned around $42,000 per year, but lived like he earned half. No Starbucks, no fancy upgrades, no lifestyle creep. Instead, he maxed out his Roth IRA, invested monthly into low-cost ETFs and index funds, and by age 38, crossed $1.2 million in net worth, without ever earning six figures. His motto? I acted broke so I could buy freedom. Here's how you can start. Automate investing before your money hits your checking account. Use a 24-hour rule before non-essential purchases. Set a monthly rich person challenge. Invest at least $500 per month before spending. The biggest mistake? People try to look successful before they become successful, and in doing so, they delay actual wealth creation by decades. Every dollar you don't spend today buys your freedom tomorrow. Number 3. If it's exciting, you're probably losing money. What if the financial moves that excite you the most are the ones quietly draining your future wealth? Boring money makes rich people richer. But most people chase excitement, meme stocks, crypto hype, flashy NFTs, or timing the market after watching one TikTok. Why? Because excitement feels like progress. Let's talk about Brandon, a 33-year-old delivery driver from Utah. In 2020, he skipped the crypto craze and chose boring instead. He started dollar cost averaging $500 per month into an index fund. Fast forward to 2024, while his friends were panic selling Dogecoin, Brandon's net worth quietly climbed past $90,000. No drama, no stress, no charts, just steady growth. You want the same? Pick 2 to 3 ETFs and stick with them for the long haul. Set it and forget it. Automate your monthly buys. If investing gives you a rush, you're not investing. You're playing the lottery. Now here's the weirdest part. The next rule? It says you should never save money. Intrigued? Number 4. Saving money is dangerous. What if your habit of saving money, something you thought was smart, is actually keeping you broke? We've all been told since childhood, save your money. But here's the ugly truth. Savings alone won't build wealth. In a world where inflation in the U.S. averages 3 to 7%, your bank account is silently bleeding. Let's say you save $10,000 a year for 10 years. You'd have $100,000 in cash. But due to inflation, that money will only have the purchasing power of $75,000 or less in a decade. Don't just save to feel safe. Invest to get rich. Because in today's economy, saving without investing is like filling a bucket with holes. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in high-yield savings, but invest everything else. Learn about compound interest, because that's the real money multiplier. Saving gives you safety. Investing gives you freedom. Number 5. Embracing selective frugality. Most people misunderstand frugality. They think it means cutting every expense, living in deprivation, or hoarding pennies. That's not wealth building. It's scarcity thinking. Selective frugality is the intentional practice of minimizing spending on low-value items so you can aggressively allocate capital toward high-leverage assets, such as dividend stocks, index funds, REITs, or startup ventures. The mistake people make is practicing uniform frugality, saving $2 on coffee while overspending $1,200 per month on car payments. In The Millionaire Fast Lane, MJ DeMarco emphasizes, wealth is not about saving, it's about control and capital deployment. You don't build wealth by nickel and diming. You build it by ruthlessly cutting financial waste and redirecting that money into scalable, appreciating assets. Identify non-essential spending that doesn't compound in value. Cut ruthlessly. Reinvest that saved capital into compound interest-generating assets. Wealth isn't about what you don't spend. It's about what you spend on purpose. Number 6. The art of strategic minimalism. In today's world, clutter isn't just in your closet. It's in your finances, your schedule, and your mindset. People chase the newest car, the trendiest gadgets, and the biggest homes, thinking more equals success. But in reality, every item you own owns a piece of your attention, your energy, and your money. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American household spends over $1,700 per year on storage units, insurance, maintenance, and unused items. That's not counting the emotional weight. In Essentialism by Greg McKeown, he writes, "If you don't prioritize your life, someone else will." Strategic minimalism is about saying no to excess, so you can say yes to wealth, time, and clarity. The mistake? People try to upgrade their lifestyle before upgrading their mindset, and as a result, they stay stuck, busy, broke, and burnt out. Follow the one in, one out rule. Every new item means something else must go. Replace emotional buying with intentional investing. When tempted to spend, ask, will this make me richer in time, wealth, or peace? Less stuff equals more focus. More focus equals more freedom. Number 7. The rule of diversification in wealth management. Diversification isn't just for investments. It's a risk management strategy. Emma spreads her investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Diversification reduces risk and enhances portfolio resilience. People putting all investments in one basket can lead to catastrophic losses. Diversify investments to safeguard wealth and capture growth opportunities. Ask yourself, how can diversifying my investments protect my financial future? Spread risk wisely. Diversify investments for long-term financial security. Number 8. The power of philanthropy and wealth. Giving money doesn't just change lives. It changes your relationship with money itself. Serena, a 32-year-old product manager from California. While earning a decent $85K per year, she committed to donating 5% of her monthly income to causes she believed in, even when it felt tight. But here's the twist. Her giving habits sparked a deeper sense of purpose, helped her connect with mentors in nonprofit boards, and even led to a career jump to a $140K role after being referred through a charity network. Meanwhile, her consistent giving didn't slow her investments. She still maxed out her Roth IRA and contributed monthly to her ETF portfolio. Want to follow this? Start with just 1% of your income. Set up a recurring donation to a cause that inspires you. Tie giving to growth. Donate a percentage of side hustle or dividend income to keep the flow abundant. Keep a generosity journal to track not just what you give, but what opportunities come back. Giving isn't charity, it's wealth activation. Wealth rules aren't just about money. They're about transforming your mindset and actions for a richer life. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.